Ahoy hoy. Well, first things first, we're turning off the amp. And there's a bag here. Nice little Fender one. Luckily nothing in there. Opens it top. Now, this might be painful for somebody out there. It's not a Fender. This is a Sigma M1ST. It says Germany, but I presume it isn't made there. I'll look up the serial number and put it underneath and tell you everything about it there. And also, this isn't mine. It's a very odd headstock. It is. Right, oh, that's interesting. If I remember to take a photo, have a look at the headstock there. There's two different types of wood, but it's not the standard join. It just seems to have been glued on flat. Well, if it works, it works. No criticism there. This is Craig's guitar. If you remember me being at Crimson Guitars, the chap who sat to my left is Craig. Mr. Craig Farley. Hello. And this is his guitar. We went out on a lovely day trip. There was three of us, and we went to, there was four of us. We went to Guildford to go and visit Andertons. We had to look at my old uni. But on the way back, we also visited Guitar. I can't remember which one. And everybody wanted to buy a guitar. I think Craig bought two. He bought Pelham Blue, a 335. Looked lovely. Don't think it made it back on the transport to the States, unfortunately, which is a real shame. But in order to jam around the house, he bought this guitar, Sigma. It's got a nice warm round sound. It's a little tinny, but it's not a huge bodied acoustic. It doesn't have any buzzing, no buzzing. Really solidly made. If you're a beginner, now I've no idea what price this is, but I would put a price of between, if I can get the action down a bit more, I would say that sounds like a £150–200 guitar, especially with the satin neck. Actually, if it was £200, I'd want a piezo pickup in there or something. But as you know, it's very simple to put a pickup into an acoustic guitar. You pop one in there and tape a wire down the bottom. For heaven's sake, the Breeders do it, and nobody sounds better than them in my book. An excellent beginner's guitar then. So, well, thank you, Craig, for letting me look after it for you. Next time you're over, I suppose you can have it back. Oh well, made in China. But we'll find out a little bit more from it from that serial number. Until next time, hopefully with a haircut by then. This is Gavin, the Lockdown Lock-In, doing Grotty guitars. What was your first acoustic guitar? It's an interesting one. How bad was it? Until then, toodle pip.